The Roman Empire, a name synonymous with power, ambition, and incredible feats of engineering. The Romans were not just conquerors, but builders, architects of an empire that stretched from the misty shores of Britain to the sun-baked sands of North Africa. They left behind a legacy etched in stone, concrete, and marble, monuments to their ingenuity that still inspire awe today. Their cities, interconnected by a vast network of roads, were marvels of urban planning, boasting towering structures, complex sanitation systems, and public works that were centuries ahead of their time. The Romans were masters of concrete, arches, and domes, pushing the boundaries of architecture and leaving behind structures that have withstood the test of time. Their buildings were not merely functional, but also beautiful, adorned with intricate carvings, soaring columns, and breathtaking mosaics. From the imposing grandeur of the Colosseum to the elegant flow of their aqueducts, Roman construction projects were a testament to their ambition, organization, and unwavering belief in their own power. Their legacy lives on, not just in the crumbling ruins they left behind, but in the very foundations of Western civilization. Join us as we journey back in time to explore the greatest construction projects of the Roman Empire, marveling at their ingenuity and uncovering the secrets behind their enduring strength. In the heart of Rome stands a monument to both Roman engineering and the brutal realities of their entertainment, the Colosseum. This iconic structure has witnessed centuries of history, from the height of the Roman Empire to the present day. This elliptical amphitheater, originally known as the Flavian Amphitheater, is a symbol of Roman power and architectural prowess. Its grandeur and scale are a testament to the ambition and ingenuity of its creators. Completed in 80 AD, it could hold up to 80,000 spectators, eager to witness gladiatorial combats, wild animal hunts, and even mock naval battles. These events were not just mere entertainment, they were a demonstration of the might and resources of the Roman Empire. The Colosseum's construction was a feat of logistics and organization. Thousands of slaves and skilled laborers worked tirelessly to bring this vision to life, using innovative techniques and tools of the time. Its massive exterior, standing 157 feet tall, was built from travertine limestone, quarried from nearby Tivoli, and hauled by hand and oxen to the construction site. The sheer scale of the materials used is staggering, reflecting the immense effort and resources invested in its creation. The interior was a marvel of complex design, with a system of vaulted corridors and stairways that allowed for the efficient movement of vast crowds. This design ensured that spectators could enter and exit the arena swiftly, minimizing chaos and maximizing the viewing experience. Beneath the arena floor lay a labyrinthine network of tunnels and chambers known as the Hypogeum. This underground world was crucial to the spectacles above, housing gladiators, animals, and intricate machinery. Here, gladiators prepared for combat, wild animals were caged, and elaborate stage sets were raised and lowered through trapdoors in the arena floor, creating dramatic effects for the audience. The Hypogeum was a hive of activity, a hidden engine driving the grand performances above. The Colosseum was more than just a building. It was a spectacle in itself, a testament to the Roman Empire's ability to entertain and awe its citizens. The events held here were a blend of sport, theater, and ritual, designed to reinforce the power and glory of Rome. Today, the Colosseum stands as a haunting reminder of Rome's grandeur and its darker side. It draws millions of visitors each year, all eager to walk in the footsteps of history and imagine the scenes of ancient glory and violence that once unfolded here. Its crumbling arches and weathered stones whisper tales of gladiatorial valor, the roar of the crowd, and the fleeting nature of imperial power. Each stone, each crack, tells a story of a bygone era, of a civilization that reached unparalleled heights and then faded into history. But even in ruin, it remains an awe-inspiring sight, a testament to the engineering genius of the Roman Empire. The Colosseum continues to captivate and inspire, a symbol of human achievement and the passage of time. Water, the lifeblood of any civilization, was especially crucial for the Roman Empire. Without a reliable and abundant supply of water, the growth and prosperity of their cities would have been impossible. To quench the thirst of their sprawling cities and support their advanced sanitation systems, the Romans constructed a vast network of aqueducts, channeling fresh water from distant springs and rivers. This network was a testament to their engineering prowess and their understanding of the importance of water management. These aqueducts were not mere ditches. They were engineering marvels, stretching for miles across challenging terrain. The Romans meticulously planned and executed these structures, ensuring that they could transport water over long distances without losing much of it along the way. The Romans skillfully used gravity to their advantage, building their aqueducts with a slight downward gradient to ensure a continuous flow of water. This gradient was carefully calculated to maintain a steady flow, avoiding both stagnation and overflow. Where valleys or depressions interrupted their path, they built towering arches to maintain the water's elevation, allowing it to flow uphill. These arches were not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing, showcasing the architectural brilliance of the Romans. The aqueducts were built with a combination of materials, including stone, brick, and a special type of Roman concrete that hardened underwater. This concrete, known as opus caementicum, was a revolutionary material that allowed the Romans to construct durable and long-lasting structures. The channels that carried the water were lined with waterproof materials to prevent leakage and contamination. This lining was crucial in maintaining the purity of the water as it traveled from the source to the city. These sophisticated structures ensured a constant supply of fresh water to Roman cities, even those located far from natural water sources. The aqueducts allowed cities to flourish in areas that would otherwise be uninhabitable due to a lack of water. The impact of aqueducts on Roman life was profound. They transformed the way people lived, worked, and interacted with their environment. They provided water for drinking, bathing, and irrigation, improving public health and sanitation. Public baths became social hubs, and the availability of clean water reduced the spread of diseases. The surplus water also powered mills, fountains, and even elaborate water features in the homes of wealthy Romans. These water features were a symbol of luxury and sophistication, reflecting the wealth and status of their owners. The aqueducts were more than just conduits of water. They were lifelines of the Roman Empire, symbolizing their mastery over nature and their ability to provide for their citizens. They stand as a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the Roman engineers, whose work continues to inspire awe and admiration to this day. All roads lead to Rome. This famous saying reflects the Roman Empire's incredible network of roads, spanning over 250,000 miles. These roads were the lifelines of the empire, connecting cities, towns, and military outposts across vast distances. They were the arteries through which the lifeblood of the empire flowed, ensuring that Rome remained the center of power and culture, and connecting all corners of their vast domain. These roads were not merely paths, they were meticulously engineered highways, built to facilitate the rapid movement of legions, goods, and information across the empire. Roman roads were marvels of engineering and organization. They were built in layers, starting with a foundation of crushed stone and mortar. This foundation provided a stable base that could support the weight of heavy traffic and withstand the test of time. This was followed by layers of gravel, sand, and finally, large, carefully fitted paving stones. The roads were slightly cambered to allow for drainage, and milestones were placed at regular intervals to indicate distance. These milestones were not just practical markers. They also served as symbols of Roman authority and organization, reminding travelers of the empire's reach and control. Some roads even featured sidewalks and drainage ditches. The impact of this extensive road system was profound. It allowed Roman legions to march quickly and efficiently to quell rebellions and defend the empire's borders. The roads enabled the swift deployment of troops, ensuring that the Roman military could respond to threats with unparalleled speed and coordination. It facilitated trade, connecting distant provinces and allowing for the flow of goods and resources across the empire. Merchants traveled these roads, bringing exotic goods from far-flung regions to the heart of Rome. This trade network not only enriched the empire, but also fostered economic interdependence among its provinces. Moreover, it enabled the spread of Roman culture, language, and ideas, contributing to the Romanization of conquered territories. The roads were conduits for cultural exchange, allowing Roman art, architecture, and customs to permeate the provinces. This cultural diffusion helped to unify the diverse peoples of the empire under a common Roman identity. These roads, many of which still exist in some form today, serve as enduring reminders of the Roman Empire's reach and the legacy of their remarkable engineering skills. They stand as testaments to the ingenuity and foresight of Roman engineers, whose work has withstood the ravages of time. The remnants of these roads continue to inspire awe and admiration, offering a glimpse into the grandeur of an empire that once ruled the known world.